In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert an image into a shape on Adobe Illustrator. To do this, you want to select a shape, position that shape, click on it, and then down here you'll see an icon that says Draw Inside. Click that, click the shape again, and then go up to File, go down to Place. Here we'll be able to select an image. And then press the shape, and there we go. That will insert the image. If we want to change the size, press on there and press this icon selection. You can make it bigger or smaller. Click off it. And there, that's how you do that. I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.